Alright, well, good news. There's a trace on the CRT. That's fabulous. It's a nice trace at that. There's an old ICO signal audio generator putting out a 1,000 hertz sine wave right now. And that's what we're looking at on the screen here. So, beautiful looking trace. Excellent. Alright, well, that's good. Good news. Let's see, inside here you can see the tubes glowing. Yeah. See the little neon bulbs down there functioning. It's throwing off some heat. Yes, sir. That's good. Alright, well, that's good news. So now I'm going to have to go about calibrating this because I think it's out of calibration. And I got to figure out how to work the controls on this. I don't think it's going to be too difficult to figure out, but it may take a while for me to calibrate this, seeing as I've never done it before. So, but I really love that trace, man. It looks super nice. Alright. Pretty pleased. Means must have done something right. Okay, guys, well, it'll be a part 3. I don't know about tonight, but as soon as I get done calibrating this guy. I got all the sides on, except I don't have the top on yet. Well, we'll put that on after done calibrating, because I gotta see these little pots in here. There's one right there, and well, they're all over the place. There's some more right there. There's some capacitors, variable capacitors, more variable capacitors, pots, resistors. There's some more right there. And I got to check all the voltages and get everything good to go and calibrated. Pretty happy about that trace. It's beautiful. Alright. Thanks for looking.